Review 3, this the times table, right? 5 times 7 you should know straight away. And next, 8 times 8, right? Probably one interesting thing you need to note is that 8 times 8 is 2 digits, the same digits times together. Probably you should also know what is 3 times 3, 4 times 4. Alright, memorize them by heart. 5 times 5 all the way, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8. Alright, and 9 times 9. Next, the other way is to, this is called the answer is called the multiple. Alright, this is a factor. Find the other factor. So what times 6 gives you 54? Right, 9 times 6 gives you 54. And the other way, this is super simple. This is 18, right? Okay, so any of this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which one works out to be 18? Right, 2 times 9 is the same as 9 times 2. Super straightforward and simple. Right, multiply this, should not be a problem. So let's do it together. 408 times 4. It means you must know the 4 times table. Everything about 4 times table. So 8 times 4 is 32. Put the 2 here, 3 on top. Next step is to use 0 times 4 first. Right, 0 times 4 is 0. Add 3 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16. Right, so 400 plus, if you times 2 will be 800 plus, right? So but you need to times 4, so it's definitely not this and not this answer. Right, 400 plus times 4 cannot be around 400 plus. Obviously it would be this. Work it out to check the answer. Find the product of 5 and 539. Work this way. Product means times. Okay, 539 times 5. Okay, your answer should be 4. Next, multiply 120 by 5. 120 times 5. Now 0 times 5 is 0. In the ones place, definitely it's not this. 2 is either that. Now 120 times 5. 120 is already more than 60, so can't be this. Right? Sometimes the work is very easy and straightforward. Just get used to it. Section B. Now this is how you circle 4 groups. In the end, you must see 4 red pink boxes. Right? Inside must be 7. 4 groups of 7 seashells. This is what it means. Right? You do not do this. Do not do this. 7 groups of 4. This is wrong. Right? Next, find the product again. 328 times 8. So you must need to know everything about the 8 times table. 8 times 6 is 64. 2 times 6 is 8 is 16 plus 6 22. 2 carry 2. 3 times 8 is 24. 25, 26, 26 here. Right? Now I'm in a number between 40 and 60. Right? It means 40 and 60 is not included. It got to be 41 all the way to 59. That is the number. You can find me in both the multiplication tables of 6 and 8. Right? It means the answers, the multiples of 6 and 8 between these two, between 40 and 60. Right? List them down. So what is the number? It has got to be the same number. Right? So you list it down. In the 6 times table, you have 7 times 6. 7 times 6. Let me just erase this off and see how. Let me list out. Okay, list out the times table. List out the times table for 6. Alright, between 40. Now 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. right? 10 times 6 is 60. I will not include that because it's within 60 and 40. Now this is 6 times table. 8 times table is 6 times 8, 5 times 8 is 40, not included, so 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. It goes beyond 60, right? So what is common here? The same found in both is 48. 900 times 8. Remember, 9 times 8 is 72, right? Because it's 900, you just add 2 zeros. Next, find the missing number. So what you do is just get this 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 5 times 7 is 35 and 39. Now, never leave your answer as this, alright? Your answers has got to be the digit in the box, which is 9. What is the product of 3, 5, 6 times 3? 6 times 3, 18, carry 1. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Alright, check. Carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 and 10. This is the answer. Okay, these are the type of multiplication and division problem. You should be able to do them well. Divide 35 pupils into 7 groups. So you have 35 divided by 7. In the times table, 5 times 7 gives you 35. So 35 divided by 7 should give you 5. Product of 769 times 8. Product means times, right? 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 72. 6 times 8, 48. 48 plus 7, 55. 55. 7 times 8, 56. 56 plus 5, 61. Now look at this. The 2 heart means these 2 digits has got to be the same, right? Which 2 digit times together gives you 81? Yes, it is 9 times 9. Right? It gives you 81. So 9. Heart alone, the heart alone, one of the digit is just 9. That's all for a review 3.